Good morning, church. And now for this week's announcements.
Good morning, church. 3 things. 1. Church camp is near. We technically have 3 and a bit more months until church camp. February, April, March, April. Number 2. Registration. Registration, it starts today. Early bird ends 15th February, just before Chinese New Year. And you get a free t-shirt. You see this t-shirt, but pending color and design, not yet chosen yet. Registration closes 15th March. And remember, registration, you're only eligible for registration with full payment to Auntie Min or Guat Lin. Registration forms can be found at the back of the church. Number 3, how much it costs. Because it is a 4 days, 3 nights, we thought that we want to give you the same as last year, which is 300 for adults, 200 for youth, and 150 for kids. But this time we give you special discount. This year, 260 is for adults, 200 for youth, and then the kids remain as 150. Where is the place? Genting View Resort. From here to there, 1 hour only. But if you stop for petrol and McDonald's and sightseeing, then it takes longer than that. Okay, thank you.
Hi everybody, if you ever thought of going for missions, now is the best time to do so. Through both my missions, I learned that God will always be there for me and always help me through whatever I'm facing. So I would like you to have a first-hand experience of this that I'm experiencing. OCZ is now open for registration, so those of you who are interested, please do register soon.
For more information about this out of comfort zone mission trip, you can check OM's website or look for our elder Richie Tay.
The Cambodian mission team will be sharing next Wednesday on prayer night. Do drop by to encourage those who are sharing.
For those of you who are visiting, or if it's your first time here with us, we are very glad to have you here with us and we warmly welcome you. Please join us for a cup of coffee or tea upstairs after the service. And that is all for announcements this week. God bless you.